Good morning guys and welcome to my channel. Today I am in Wales, in Machynlleth, and look this out here. But before that, I just want to say a big thank you to all the people who comment, subscribe and like this video. And let me show you around. Today I come here to show you the town. Maybe we'll try some food. But before that, check this out. Here in a parking, I find this old car exposition. Check this out. Look at this vintage. Let's see, show you inside. Check this out. I don't know what car is this. Let me know. So a lot of old cars here from the Peaky Blinder era. Check this out. Check this one. Bonham's car. It's an exposition, like how Mafia has in New York. Interesting. Here you go, guys. Plenty of them here. Let's see this one. I don't know how I open the doors. This is look very old and nice. How old is this one?
Oh, how old is it?
It's yours?
It's 97 years old.
97, it's such a beautiful car. Is this yours or somebody else owns the car? It's yours. So you take care of that. You see guys, 97 years old and the car is still running. That's so good, man. Check this out here. Well, forget about that Volkswagen over there, because that's a new one. Check this out, these two here. Such a beautiful cars. So what do you think, guys? Let me know in a comment. This one is beautiful one. Here we go inside. Okay, so that's it with this car exposition. Let's go to explore the town to show you how this beautiful town in Wales is look like. Here we go. Okay guys, so this is the town of Machynlleth. It's in the middle of Wales. The population here it's around 2,000 people. It's not very big town. You see the architecture is very interesting. So the Romans was here also in the past. It's very old town. So this town, Machynlleth, in the past was the capital of Wales around more than 700 years ago. So check this out. It's a very quiet town. They have here an old market, a very old market. It's older than 700 years and it's on every Wednesday. So if you come in on Wednesday, guys, check the market out. A lot of cafes here. They have a pub over there. So here is a mix of language. The people are speaking Welsh and also they're speaking English. If you visit Machynlleth, you'll have a very big chance to hear Welsh language, which is very, very hard one. So you can see, you see that shop in the front of me. Is the name in Welsh and is the name in English for that shop. So what do you think about? Check this out, that old car. It's a very quiet place, this one. Very beautiful place. Here we have more pubs over there. It's a White Lion. The houses are very interesting. They are from stones, some of them. So from here you are not very far away from Snowdonia. It's literally almost on the south of Snowdonia National Park. So if you're planning to visit Snowdonia, you can come here also to see this town, the ex-Welsh capital back 700 years ago, more than 700. Let me know what you think about. They have here also a museum if you want to visit, an art museum. So what I realize here, guys, it's there are a lot of shops, individual shops. You find a lot of charity shops also. You find local coffee shops with local traditional food. For example, this pub, they're doing a breakfast here. Check this out, that one over there. So you can see it's very interesting. Also, you have festivals here. Every summer are festival in a town, so you can come for some festivals. So in a front of me, oh my God, that car is broken down here. So yeah, guys, in front of me we have the clock tower, which was built in 1870s, so more than 100 years ago. And this is the symbol of Machynlleth. Check this out. It's exactly in a town center. Let me see if the clock is working. Yeah, it looks like it's working. So let's just walk a little bit here to show you around. So here more charity shops, different type of shops. I reckon it's very beautiful here in summer. Check this out. This is the tower. Look how it was looking long time ago, maybe 50, 60, maybe even 100 years ago. Check this out. Let me see. Let's go inside to see how it's looking inside. Nice. I have a light over there. Let's see these shops here. I might try some local food to see how it looks like. Is here a restaurant? I think it's closed. I don't know. So it's a very big hippie community here also. You'll find in this place. Let's check the properties to see how much is a house if you want to buy a house here. So you see, check the prices. That house, for example, is 190,000. Okay, let's just keep walking to see what else we can find here. Very windy today. It's sunny but windy. They are around 9 degrees, something like that. More cafes over here. Other shops over there. So if you go straight, you will get out of the town. I don't think it's something else to see in that place. So here you have antique shops if you are interested of antiques. Let's just walk in this way again to see exactly what else is here. More vintage shop over there. Let's walking and I will show you other stuff later. Here another shop with different type of stuffs. A pub, hotel over there. Here we go. Check that cars. Oh, they are so loud. This pub is very nice one. They do food here also. Let me show you the menu if you want to try. You see, this is the menu. They have a garden also. Let's see what else we can get here. Well, this cafe is a nice one. If you want to try, let me show you the menu also. You see, it's very busy, so probably they have a good food there. They have a garden shop. I don't know what's happening in Wales. No, it's not a garden shop. It's like a regular local shop. Check this out, this one. More cafes over there. It's a cafe over there. So you see that shop with dark blue. So there, if you like to buy some postcards, if you like to buy different souvenirs, I really recommend you to go. Here you go, another shop here, coffee shop over here, fried chicken wrap with 10 pounds if you are hungry and you want something small. Very nice vibe here, very nice vibe. So if you have the opportunity, I recommend you guys to come to visit. So Machynlleth is in middle of Wales. It's not very far away from the sea, so if you want to go to visit other towns here in Wales close to the sea, you are close to them. Check this out. They have like a church here. This cafe also. Yeah, nice architecture. So I was reading on a Google saying it's a little bit of Roman architecture because the Romans was here. Well, the Romans was everywhere when the Roman Empire was around. Bought a local croissant. Let me show you. It's this one. Let me show you more better. This one. Let's see how it tastes like. This is a good croissant. Oh, it's so very fresh. This one, even as a sandwich, to cut in half, add some bacon, add some even tomato, and make it like a nice sandwich. It's absolutely buzzing. Check this out, guys. Look how good it's cooked. It's very fresh one. So let's see. To be honest, I didn't eat such a good croissant for a while. Local, made by them. Check this out, how good this look. Look the color of. Okay guys, I will go to explore more and I will show you if I find something else. Check this out, the mountains over there. Okay guys, that's it in Machynlleth. If you enjoyed this video, consider to subscribe, like and comment, and I will see you in the next video.